They look brand new. They look fantastic. It's a little something you guys can do, and it makes them look a whole lot better. So today, guys, I'm also getting a windshield fixed because there's a big crack. A little bit hard to see. And a big crack from there all the way up here, and then I got some just somewhere over here. Yeah. So yeah, I'm getting that window fixed today, guys. And oh yeah, it comes all the way down here too. See if I can wipe that off real quick for you guys. So the crack's hard to see, but it goes up all the way up there. So new windshield. I got the wipers looking like new. This is gonna be a new car today. I'm actually gonna do a video once I get the window replaced, and I'll tell you guys about the company that did it. I've had them do it before on this car, and they do fantastic work. It's called Crack Masters here in Edmonton. I think it's on 105 Street or Ave. I'll get a card, I'll flash it up for you guys and confirm everything. Do really good work, guys. So I recommend go check them out, and the prices are pretty fair. We're just picking up the car, and the windshield's all fixed up. They did a really good job, and yeah, I'm super impressed. So that brand new glass, no cracks. There was a big crack here, up there, and then down the other side, and it looks fantastic. They did a really good job. Super impressed. This is the second time I've gone to these guys, and they do professional work. They're really good stuff. The lines are all very clean, very nice, and there's no gunk inside. So yeah, guys, I'm super impressed. Hey guys, so yeah, I just got my windshield fixed. This is Crack Masters here behind me. They're here in Edmonton at 105th Ave. Sorry, I'll get a close-up of the contact information on the door. But yeah, they did a really good job. They even put this rain repel stuff on it. Apparently lasts 9 months, 6 to 9 months, and it's way better than that Rain X stuff, because Rain X will only last, you know, maybe 2 weeks, a month at most. So these guys have been really good, really professional. I really like their work. Again, this is the second time I've been here, and they're a small family-run company, and you know, it really shows, because some of the bigger companies will, I've seen on some of my other buddies that got their windshield replaced, and you know, they get the black caulking all inside, and they kind of make a mess of it. These guys take the time. They're really professional and do a really good job. So I totally recommend them. And if you're in the Edmonton area and you need a windshield replaced, give these guys a call, and they'll be happy to help you out. So yeah, I'll just show you their contact information. This is their shop, Crack Masters, and that's where they're located, and how to contact them. Again, you know, they've got some customer choice awards for 2018 and whatnot. So yeah, check these guys out. They do really good stuff, and I totally recommend them. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and stay tuned. Okay, guys, one other thing I forgot to mention. They got 90-day free chip repair. So if you get a chip in your windshield, they'll do a repair for free for you within 90 days. So I did talk to the owner. His name is Phil, and this is his card. And yeah, he was saying that one of his clients, it doesn't happen all the time, but he had multiple cracks within 90 days, or chips, and he just brought it in and they fixed it up, no problem. So that's one other real big benefit to this family-run small business, is that they do these small things for you, which actually end up to be quite a big thing, because I called up some other places that do windshield repair, and it's $30 for a chip. After the fact they install it. Doesn't matter if it's one day after or whatever. So these guys are great. Check them out. So one other thing, guys. So we got a brand new windshield, and we've just recently painted the windshield wiper arms. So now we're gonna throw some new wipers on it. So what we got here is some Bosch Ionics. They're pretty good. I got them from Canadian Tire. Both of them were about $55 Canadian, you know, total. The other good thing about this is the reviews have, I think about 150 reviews for each size that I got there, and just about a 4.5 star rating, something around there. So yeah, I've used them. That's what's on them currently. They've been a fantastic wiper, so I'm going to install new ones now.
Could help you. Let's take this away. Upon steps, okay?
Okay. They're very easy to put on. Most of them nowadays, I mean, there's different styles, but most of them nowadays are this kind of connection here. And all you do is put your arm in, and it's got a little U-hook, and it just locks right in, and then you just close that down. So it's very, very easy, guys. Something you guys, anybody can do. And just like that, we got newly, freshly painted wiper arms. We got brand new wiper blades and a new windshield. So that's everything for this video, guys. If you like my video, feel free to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, you can always subscribe, share, and leave a comment down below. And if you're new to my channel, feel free to hit that bell for any notifications for new videos coming out. I post every Saturday and the occasional Wednesday. So thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget, never stop learning. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to check out some of my other videos. I got lots of content. I got lots on the Mazda 3. I got a little bit on the Pathfinder, and I have some on 2006 Honda Civic. Just check out some of my other videos. I got lots of other stuff, guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, never stop learning.